In this video, we will explain the causes and solutions for the error code E7 present in air conditioning units. Let's start by saying that, for many air conditioning brands, the error code E7 is related to a failure called mode conflict. The mode conflict occurs when different units connected to the same system operate in contradictory modes. For example, an indoor unit might be in cooling mode while the outdoor unit is in heating mode. This lack of coordination causes the system to malfunction and triggers errors like E7 in some models. The major brands that use the code E7 to identify a mode conflict issue are Carrier, Samsung, Trane, Gree, Midea. Now let's see the steps to prevent and resolve the mode conflict. 1. Restart the units. Turn off both the indoor and outdoor units and disconnect them for a few minutes. Then, turn them back on to reset the system and solve potential communication failures. 2. All units must be set to the same mode, cooling, heating, or automatic. Avoid sudden mode changes without coordination between the units. 3. Check the wiring. Incorrect communication often results from loose or defective cables. Inspect the wiring and control components to avoid problems. 4. Problems with the control board. A fault in the electronic board's PCB can cause the units to fail to communicate correctly, generating a mode conflict. 5. Remember that voltage fluctuations can contribute to problems like mode conflict in air conditioning systems. Fluctuations can cause malfunctions in sensitive electronic components, such as control boards and communication units, between internal and external components. With the help of a multimeter on the alternating current voltage scale, check for noticeable voltage fluctuations. If voltage fluctuations are present, consider using a voltage stabilizer or connecting the equipment to another power source. 6. Although not a direct cause of the mode conflict, poor grounding can predispose the system to errors and electrical problems that could indirectly contribute to related failures.